Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to practice some multiplication problems together. Are you ready? Let's get started. 87 into 8. First 8 times 8, 64, right? So 64, okay, and 7 times 8, 56, 5, 6. Answer is 696. Next 79 into 4. 7 times 4, 28, 28. 9 times 4, 36. So for 30, take 7, add 10 and 6. So answer is 316. Next 58 into 6. 5 times 6, 30. And 8 times 6, 48. Answer is 348. Next 93 into 7. First 9 into 7, 63, 6, 3. And 3 into 7, 21. For 20, add 5, take 3 and 1. Answer is 651. Next 65 into 5. 6 times 5 first, 30, okay. 5 times 5, 25. Answer is 325. Next 98 into 4. First 9 times 4, 36. And 8 times 4, 32. Answer is 392. Next 89 into 5. First 8 times 5, 40, right? Next 9 times 5, 45. Answer is 445. Next 95 into 8. First 9 times 8, 72, right? And 5 times 8 make 40. So add 5, take 1. So answer is 760. Next 64 into 5. First 6 times 5, 30. 4 times 5, 20. So answer is 320. 75 into 2. First 7 times 2, 14, 10, 14. 5 times 2, 10, add 5, take 4. Answer is 150. Next 65 into 2. First 6 times 2, 12, right? 5 times 2, 10. Answer is 130. 42 times 6. First 4 times 6, 24, and next 2 times 6, 12, right? So add 5, take 4, add here 2. So answer is 252. Next 24 into 7. First 2 times 7, 14, right? And next 4 times 7, 28. For 20, add 5, take 3, and then add 8. Answer is 168. Next 75 into 7. So first 7 times 7, 49, right? And next 5 times 7 is 35. So take 7, add 5, and add 5. Answer is 525. Next 46 into 3. 4 times 3, 12, right? 6 times 3, 18. Answer is 138. Next 72 into 9. First 7 times 9, 63, and 2 times 9, 18. Answer is 648. Next 69 into 6. So first 6 into 6, 36. You remember 9 into 6 is 54, right? So for 50, take 5, add 1, and here is 4. So answer is 414. And 41 into 4. First 4 times 4, 16, and then 1 times 4, 4. Answer is 164. Now 98 in times 3. So first 9 times 3, 27, right? And 8 times 3, 24. So answer is 294. And the last one, 82 into 7. 8 times 7, 56, and 2 times 7, 14. Answer is 574. Wow, you solved a lot of multiplication problems with me today. Keep practicing at home. You will get faster and more confident every day. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps me create more videos for you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.